Hey everyone, it's Bitcoin Brian here with Bitcoin Fam, and today I'm going to do a video on CLV and give you a price update where I think it's going in 2025. So if you could hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, leave a comment, all of that'll really help us out. So before I get going with the video today, I have to put out the disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. It's just my views and opinions and me sharing with you what I'm looking at in the crypto space and where I think things are going. So anyway, let's get right into the video. I definitely like it. I've had it for quite some time. I started buying it when it first came out back in 2021. I bought it at the end of the bull market. So I bought it at well over $1. And I bought it all the way down. I bought it when it was down below 3 cents. I really just kept buying it all the way down, getting a better average entry price. So now it all worked out. So I am in the green a little bit, but I'm looking at big gains for Clover Finance. So anyway, I'll get into that in a little bit when I go through the charts and CoinGecko on it. But here's the site for people that haven't seen CLV. Here we go. If you hear me say Clover Finance, it used to be referred to as Clover Finance, and they just rebranded to CLV. So, and CLV is the token, and I got some news of something's going to be happening with their token as well. So, and I'm going to go through that. But here's their site. They're doing everything really. Transactions, people are building dApps on them. They're cross-chain compatible. They were a part of the peer chains on Polkadot. So they can work, CLV works Polkadot, ERC20, I think the Binance chain. It's very compatible with most things out there in the crypto world. It incentivizes dApp builders by automatically sharing percentage of the transaction fees with them. So they're definitely attracting a lot of attention. So, and you can go through this site. A lot of things going on it. They have an integrated CLV wallet you can use. I personally don't have it. And then it's also backed by industry leaders. You can go through, see who's backing them. So there's a lot of good information in the website. And I just got to that website just by going to Clover Finance. Not Clover Finance. CoinGecko, looking up Clover Finance. You just go right down here, and here are the links to their websites. They usually have it, all the coins that are listed on CoinGecko usually have some type of link that goes to their site. So while we're here on CoinGecko, we'll just go through the numbers. You can see it's ranked 669 on total market cap on CoinGecko. And mind you, some people may use CoinMarketCap. I do use both of them. There are less coins listed on CoinMarketCap than there is on CoinGecko. You can see on CoinGecko, there's over 16,000 coins listed now. So that's crazy. I remember when there was 1,000 coins and we thought that was a lot. Now there's 16,000. So anyway, market cap is 83 million. Fully diluted is 135 million. You can see they have 2 billion total coins for supply. 1.2 billion is in circulation. So about 60% of them. So there will be more coins released, and there's information on how they're going to release those coins. We might touch over it a little bit. You can see its all-time high listed here on CoinGecko is $1.88. So from where the price is now to its all-time high, it's down over 96%. So you could see if we took the $1.88 and we divided that by its current price of 6.788 cents. Oh, I did something wrong. Let's try that again. $1. I bet you I forgot a zero. 88 divided by 0.06788. There we go. That looks a little better. So from the price it's at now, for it to get to its all-time high would be a little over a 27x. So that would be a little over 2,700% gain. So that means that's crazy. So every $1,000 would turn into $27,000. So that's crazy to think about that. If it would just get to its all-time high. I think it will. I'm thinking it's probably going to this bull market, but that's a big stretch. That means from where it is right now, it has to go almost a 3,000x. So that is a big stretch. If it doesn't make it this bull market, I really believe that it will surpass its all-time high at some point in the future. But here, we'll go look at some more info here on Clover Finance. They're on X. You can follow them on X, formerly Twitter. And they were talking about, this was just released back in December 27th, a smart contract update for CLV token is now active on Snapshot. Make sure to check it out and find out how we are paving the future for CLV 2.0. So I clicked the link, and this is what it's all about. So they're changing, they're doing changes to the smart contract update for CLV. Since its inception, CLV has served as the foundation of a decentralized, interoperable ecosystem. Now they're launching 2.0. The update represents a significant step towards realizing our vision for more streamlined and robust ecosystem by consolidating the token supply, introducing technological advancements, and maintaining our inflationary model. This proposal ensures that CLV remains competitive and adaptable to emerging opportunities in Web3. And of course, Web3 is a driving force in a lot of things going on now. The total supply of CLV will remain unchanged. So the Genesis allocation, first 3 years, they went through how the tokens were allocated. And then there's Treasury reserves for inflation. So this is for long-term ecosystem growth and network sustainability. The stored transparently in Treasury. So the rest of the boards, inflation rewards incentivize staking and validator participation, securing the network and ensuring decentralization. To date, over 224 million tokens have been distributed as inflation rewards. The remaining Treasury tokens will continue to fuel future inflation rewards, sustaining long-term network participation. And then ecosystem incentives. So that's where these tokens support partnerships, integrations, developer grants, and community-driven programs aimed at ecosystem growth. This allocation ensures that CLV remains competitive, adaptable, and able to capture emerging opportunities in Web3. So the purpose of the smart contract update to consolidation of the token supply. Currently, token supply exists across multiple standards, ERC20, BEP20, which is Binance, CLV Polkadot chains, creating fragmentation and complexity by consolidating the supply under a single smart contract. This will improve liquidity across centralized and decentralized exchanges, simplify token management for users and platform, ensure seamless compatibility for future integrations, and then enhance technology and scalability, which is going to AI agents, social fi application, gaming mini apps, streamlined tokenomics, and then redomination. Here we go. So this is another thing that's going to be happening. So the CLV token will be renamed to just C. Aligning with the future branding of CLV 2.0. Details of the proposal. It'll be a one-for-one swap. So if you have one CLV token, you'll get one C token. And, all CLV holders receive an equivalent amount of C tokens. So eligibility. All holders of the CLV tokens across supported networks, including the ERC20, BEP20, and CLV Polkadot, are eligible for the token swaps. Tokenomics. The existing inflationary model will remain unchanged, ensuring continuity in staking rewards and long-term ecosystem growth. The update period. The token swap will remain open for 12 months, providing ample time for all holders to transition to their new smart contracts. Unclaimed tokens. Any unclaimed tokens after the swap period will be burned, ensuring supply integrity and preventing inflation. So I'll definitely keep everybody updated on this. Like I said, I hold Clover Finance. So when this starts happening, I'll probably put out a video or two going through what we all need to do. Make sure that you don't miss this, because it seems like after the 12-month swapping period, if you haven't done it, you could lose your tokens. That's how it sounds like to me. Definitely don't want that to happen. So anyway, for the community, it guarantees a seamless one-to-one swap for all tokens. The implementation plan, phase 1, snapshot announcement, just happened. Announced the snapshot date to record token balances across all supported networks. Phase 2, smart contract deployment. Deploy the upgraded smart contract. Phase 3, user-friendly swap interface. That's when we'll be doing the swaps. Token swaps. Phase 4, security audits. Phase 5 will be the token burn. Those are any unclaimed tokens, but at the end of 1 year update period to maintain supply integrity. And then the voting options. So here we go. The voting will begin December 27th. So it just started a few days ago, and we only have 3 days left and remain open until January 6, 2025. So next steps, if the proposal is approved, then a detailed guide for the token swap will be shared. Communication with exchanges will ensure a smooth transition. Security audits will be conducted to guarantee the new smart contract's integrity. So this proposal marks a pivotal step towards the next phase of CLV ecosystem. So they're constantly getting better and better. I really, really see big things happening for CLV. They keep just trying to get better and better and make their product, what they're providing, their services, a better streamlined service for the masses. So you can see over here, if you want to cast your votes, the results so far, it looks like 99.52% are for the token swap here, and there's only 1 million against. So pretty sure this is going to happen. So like I said, once I get more information, I'll let you know. So let's get into the charts. That's what we're going to finish with. So here is CLV's chart. I'm looking at the daily. So just like most of the market, from when we peaked here, middle of November, that was nice. But then we just went down, had a correction. We went through the December, everybody was going down. So looking at the daily chart, what I can see, like I had said before, that it's probably going to go down to like the 6 cents range, and hopefully that would hold. And it pretty much did. You can see here, you can see the 200-day moving average. We had a couple of wicks that went right down to about 6 cents, but then it came right back up. So, which that was good. 6 cents was held up as strong support right there with the 200-day moving average. So now we're looking at getting back above the 7 cents. So we're right there. You can see we pushed up to it, probably almost hit it. Right now we have the 50-day and 20-day moving average above us, and that's acting like some resistance along with the 7 cents. So, but if anybody's been watching the market today, market's been definitely going up. Markets look like they're turning around, like we might have hit these just recent bottoms. And so I really think that this is a turnaround. I think we're going to go right through this resistance here. And then I think we're going to make a hard charge right back up to like that 8.5 to 9 cents. 9 cents. I think we're going to get back up there pretty quickly. And then we got to break over this resistance here at 9 cents. We got to break above that, which I think we do. I really do. Over the next few weeks, I think we're going to be back up into the teens. That's right. I mean, realistically, we could be back into the teens in the next 3 weeks. But I think more so be 10 to 12 cents probably within the next 3 to 4 weeks. Once we can get back to this level, we do have some more resistance. Let me zoom out a little bit. Like right there at the 15 to 20 cents, it's probably going to give us a little heartache here on the way back up. But after we get back to this like 15 to 20 cents, there's really not much going to keep it down. until we get up to about 33 cents. And then that'll be our next level of resistance. So pretty much like a 4x, 4.5x from where we're at right now. And then from there, once we can get above this, and I think this is all going to happen in 2025, we're going to get above that 33 to 35 cent range. And from there, I think we're going to, it's going to just charge hard to $1. And between $1 and $1.15. And then I think we might do some consolidating around that $1 to $1.15 range. And then from that point, if the market is still continuing up, of course, in there's probably going to be some corrections. So it'll go up and go down like we had here earlier in the last, 2 or 3 months. So, but anyway, from that point, I think once it can go ahead and solidify this dollar, call it $1.15 to $1.20 range as support, it's going to bounce off that, and it's going to push towards the all-time high of $1.88. And I think it's going to break it. I think it's going to probably be over $2, maybe even more. I really think this has lots of room to grow. And another reason why I think that, because look at CoinGecko and go back to the numbers. Right now it's showing it's an $83 million market cap. So if it 10x'd right now, it would put it at $830 million market cap. That's not even in the top 100. The market can support that. It's just if the masses, and this is going to hold, and it just keeps growing, the network of people using CLV, its smart contract, they keep making it better. So it's just going to keep growing. So a 10x to me is definitely highly likely. So it'd be at 65, 70 cents. I really think it's going to be high. I think we could see all-time high of $1.88. But anyway, that would be, a 3x. I mean, excuse me, a 3,000% gain would put it at 2.5 billion, right? Remember I said it was a little over 27x, so 2,700% gain to the all-time high. I really think there's room for that. I mean, right now there's over 100 cryptocurrencies worth over $1 billion. I mean, let's look at that real quick. And I'll just go by market cap. And so say it reaches its all-time high. It would just call it, a 3x, just call it was $2.5 billion market cap. So right now, this is where the market cap is right now at 3.66 trillion. And we'll see, right? Here we are, 62. So just think if that 3.6 trillion market cap is now like 11 or 12 trillion. So there's going to probably be 180 to 200 cryptos that are worth $2.5 billion. I really think CLV has that capability and possibility of getting there. So it doesn't even have to get into the top 100 this bull market. I really think CLV, like right now, it was 669 on total market cap on CoinGecko. If it can breach probably the top 300, it's gonna make a lot of people wealthy. Whoever is holding on to CLV and taking those profits. I mean, the room for growth is enormous. So anyway, that's what I have for CLV. That's where I think it's going. I think we're going to see a new all-time high by the end of 2025. That's my prediction. Short term, in the next month or so, I think we're going to see it back up to 15 cents. It could even, next 3 months back to 30 to 40 cents, maybe even higher. Who knows? But I definitely feel like it's going to get there. So that's my prediction. So anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. If you could, leave a comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. All of that will really help us out. Thanks and have a great day.